everybody, it's your girl Candy coming back with another video. So right now I am bald headed, and that's how the night is going right now. It's just going very bald headed. Basically I just have a unit that I want to install on my head. It's from Butta, you feel me, because they were affordable and the hair is really good. This is the packaging it came in. Butter lace, let me stop. But yeah, super cute. And actually I just want to show y'all the back because look at the marble, this purple marble thing we got going on with the gold paint splatter. I just thought that was cute. But anyways, so I have a 32-inch unit from Butta. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and basically I'm just going to be applying this lace front wig. It's kind of built as if it were a teapot wig, so yeah, we about to get into it. I just want to say I'm so sorry that this is not coming fresh out the package, you feel me, because I've been playing with it a little bit. I've been really excited to kind of try it. So I don't wore it like once. I got to be glued it down one time and just, you know, just was trying stuff. But this is also what came with the packaging. And this one I believe is the color and the style. It's straight 32-inch and it's called Balayage Chocolate. And I've really been into the balayage like highlight style. I guess I really like that kind of highlighted style, but not too highlighted, but just kind of highlighted. So yeah, this is gonna be a late night install, baby. You already know how I'm coming, you feel me, a late night install. That's why I'm in front of you bald headed as we speak, you dig. Christmas is coming up. I just wanted to look cute or whatever, you feel me. I don't know how I'm gonna get my nails done because I need my nails done too, feel me. This is the wig. It's going on 2 o'clock in the morning. That's just what we doing right now. I'm up and I really just want my hair done like it's dead. So that's what we about to do before we even get into this video. New people to the channel, hey, what's up, how you doing? People who are already here, what's up, what's happening, fam? You know, it's good to see you again. He ain't been liking my videos in a minute, so I just got a little worried. Anyways, I don't know why I have so much energy at 2 o'clock in the morning, but it's happening and we're here. And just so you can kind of see me run my hands through it, not a totally synthetic wig, it's a synthetic and human hair mix. This is what it looks like. Y'all can see the hand-tied baby hairs. This lace is really soft and very like, it's gonna melt down. Like I can feel it in my spirit. It's gonna melt down, you feel? This is it. Ugh, Lord. So without further ado, we about to put this bitch on at 2 o'clock in the morning right now, because that's what we do. That's what we're doing right now. This is like my first, this is not my first hair video on here, but it's like my first, we about to glue down a fucking unit to my head video. Woo-hoo. I'm so motherfucking excited, y'all. I don't know why. Let's get it started, babes. Like I don't know what I'm doing, I mean, girl, we just gonna work with it, okay? Because I'm just putting her on the best way I know how to put her on.
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things. Repeat. When all right, then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with me squeeze silicone and real breast. And a blow breeze for the head of me penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Cap up on the slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. This fucking industry is cut, though I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Cap up go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
Like all this adulty ass shit that I just really didn't think about, like it's just really, it's a lot.